Hello, this is literally the easiest Afghan I've ever crocheted, and it's made with a lot of single stitches, so it was so easy just to walk away, pick it up later without having to count every stitch. And I literally did that in between gardening, cooking, doing regular household stuff, and other projects. If you go back and check out my DIY playlist, you will see that I had a lot of projects going on. But anyways, I just wanted to share my completed project with you. I finally finished. This is a gift, one of my Christmas gifts, a homemade Christmas gift that I am gifting, and I was able to send it off. Yes, I packaged it up and sent it off Friday, so it is on its way. But I was so excited. I just wanted to share this project with you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is where I garden, cook healthy meals, and other fun projects. And today I'm sharing a finished fun project with you, a DIY. So yes, I'm pretty excited. And if you didn't know, now you know. My family is the biggest Steelers fan. So it turned out perfect. It's two-sided. I actually sewed 2 pieces of material, added some padding inside, and then I attached crochet edgings to the side. It turned out perfect. Thanks for watching. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video. If you're still watching, I'm still talking. This is totally so unusual for me, but I wanted to finish. It took me about 3.5 weeks to do because, again, I put it down, picked it up, and I didn't even count the rows. I just kept going until I thought, oh, is it long enough? No, it didn't look long enough, so I kept going. And so, yep, I'm finally done. I'm so excited. Yeah. I just love the way that it turned out, and it's so soft and warm, and every stitch was stitched with love, hope, faith, and I pray that the person that receives this as a Christmas gift from me truly appreciates it. So again, thank you for watching and being here with me.